this is Haley with Modern Exterior, and today we are in Glendale, Wisconsin, taking a look at a leak. We go up to inspect the chimney flashing to see if that's it. You can see there was a lot of attempts of repair in a couple areas where, it was pulling away from the brick and everything like that, as well as we come to the other side, and someone at some point put some sort of tape, thinking that would kind of seal everything up again, as well as a bunch of tar. And tar is just not a great fix for chimney leaks. It is very temporary and sometimes it doesn't always work. So the best option here is to remove this counter flashing and then redo it properly, and make sure that it's sealed all the way around and we don't have tar, because over time the tar is just going to degrade in the sun, and as you can see from the pictures there, they have another chimney leak. So we're just going to address that for them, and it'll be a fairly simple fix.